So I decided to, well actually I'll show you up front here. Decided to ditch the black look and go back to like the OE chrome. I found this at our local pick and pull. Pretty clean. The only thing that's messed up I'll need to replace is this. It's got some scratches. Not a big deal, but you know, for replacing everything I want it to be cleaner. And then this part here is broken, which I'm not super pressed on. I'm just gonna try to glue these tabs back down. I think they're all messed up. And then this split right here, I want to put a little bit of glue in there. Top side is like perfect still, but I have the chrome inserts coming, so I at least just want this not to look like it's dangling around. It's not the greatest, but I've tacked up some Gorilla Glue there, here. Nothing I can really do about that. Got a little bead there, a little bit there. That one's a little bit too separated. Little bead there, 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 and there. Oh, and this where it was split underneath and top side, and a little bit there and a little bit there to kind of, well, to try and keep that together. So I'm gonna let this dry, and just for safety, I might let it just dry overnight, like the rest of today and overnight, so when I go and mount it, it doesn't bust all open. And then, like I said, I just need this to kind of stay together. That way, when I put the billet or chrome inserts in, at least this will be hidden for the most part. But if it was flapping all around, you would obviously see that. Let's see if this dried any. That guy's glued. This spot here is nice. That's filled. That's filled. I don't want to press too hard, obviously, and break like these ones, but that one's held on just by like a gloop of it, if you will. That's secure, that's secure. Hell yeah, that's awesome. Alright, so my billet inserts came in. I was worried because some of the reviews said that they're curved, and you can see like here isn't perfect. I think there was a spot over here that was a little bit closer together. Actually, I think it's just this spot that kind of like throws everything off a little bit. But I think if I'm able to hold it down like this and kind of place it how I want, it's not going to look bad from a distance. So there's nothing too crazy about it, but you'll have like this little backing plate. You will have, let me see if I can grab another one, wherever I set that thing. These little catch retainers, and then obviously all the screws. Or actually I have one in my hand. So you'll just put the backing plate on, the retainer, and then just screw it in pretty much. And this part's pretty boring, so I'll just get them all in and then come back. So I got everything in there decently tight. But if you remember, this was all loose from being damaged, so I wanted to be a little bit careful on there. Let's stand this thing up. Shiny. So the only things I'll need to do now is transfer these corner lights, and then the only thing I'm worried about is how far those screws stick out. I might have to take this horn off, relocate it, or put it somewhere else or something. This looks pretty crazy. I'll have to check that at work. By no means is this perfect because some of the tabs were broken, but damn, look at that. It's a little loose, so I'll have to repair the tab at some later point. This spot was broken, so I just put a washer in there to help it. And none of these I tightened down hard at all. This spot was missing. They're all just, I put the extension on it and the socket and just tightened it by hand because I don't even want to put a ratchet on it because my old one, matter of fact, here it is, snapped off when I just tried to put it on with the impact about a year or two ago. Well, actually it's been 3 or 4 years. But yeah, let me move this stuff, close the hood. I'm not gonna slam the hood down just because I have some stuff I need to tidy up over there and I don't want to hurt the plastic or anything. But just to give an idea, hell yeah, that is way better. If you've already painted yours like mine, go get you a junkyard one and put some billet inserts in it. So I wanted to flip this around to show it off in the sun a little bit. That is shiny. Yeah, I'm a big fan of that. So like I was saying, if you want to upgrade your painted black one, or just, I mean, if you already have the chrome, upgrade it with the inserts. Looks way, way sharper.